Good morning, Teamsters! So today is Friday and kakadating lang namin ng Auckland International Airport. I'm with Kim, Pav, and Kathy. So papunta kami ng Sydney ngayon. It's, I think, 3 a.m. Ang lamig, guys. Grabe. Giniginaw na talaga kami. So, ayan, papunta na tayo ng Sydney. And hinatid tayo ng parents ni Kim. So ayan, papasok na kami. Tapos, check-in lang namin yung mga gamit. And, kasama namin kayo. Let's go! So, nandito na kami sa airport, guys. And, naka-check-in na din kami ng luggages. Tapos, kakain lang kami. Sina Kathy muna yung nag-order. Kami ni Kim, nagbabantay ng gamit. So yun, breakfast lang kami, tapos sarado pa naman yung airport. I mean yung boarding gate, sarado pa naman. So may time pa tayo din. Kaya let's go! So we're going in, guys. Kim, wait lang. You're now here inside. Mag-check. Papunta na kami sa gate namin. So, ayan. Let's go. Sobrang sakto lang, guys, yung time. Kasi 5:35 yung boarding namin. Ang haba nung pila dun sa yung sinascan yung mga gamit. So, parang 5:30 na. May 5 minutes lang kami to walk. Yeah. Boarding now. Let's go. See you guys in Sydney. Now here in Sydney. And we're just here sa duty free. Titingin-tingin lang. Grabe. Ay, parang gusto ko mag-sukap na shades. Pero wala silang We're going to the train. Catch kami ng train from airport to CBD. Then from CBD, iwan namin yung gamit tapos mag-explore na kami. So, nandito na kami sa museum station. Sobrang aesthetic nung train station nila. Ayan. So, nagtitake kami ng mga photos kasi ang ganda nung vibe dito sa train station. So, yan. Medyo madilim lang pero ganda. From here, 3-minute walk yung hotel. So, let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to us. Welcome to Sydney. So we're now with Jubes, Aaron, Elaine, and we're on our way to the town hall. Sasakay kami ng tram para puntahan yung Burger Point. So it's like Jollibee. If you guys know Jollibee, it's like a famous fast food chain in the Philippines that we really love. And yeah, we're excited kasi we're craving. So yeah, we're just walking around. I'm just gonna tour you guys. Hello, Teamsters! Hey, Teamsters! Ano mo naman yung Juvenatics?
Juvenatics?
Juvenatics.
Ay, wala kang followers pa eh.
Mamaya na tayo magbubudolan.
Later.
So guys, ito pala yung Bank of Australia. Ayan. So, yun yung ano. Diyan kami usually nagtatransact. Amusement.
Sino nabulon?
Yung Australia, wala silang Burger King. So lahat ng Burger King nila, Hungry Jacks. Favorite mo yun, di ba? Hindi, Hungry Jacks Burger King. Ikaw talaga, oh. Ang social naman ng McDo nila, oh.
There's
Ay,
Sister Act as well.
Oh, tara, Sister Act. Game ako. Nag-Hamilton na kasi ako sa Auckland eh. Anong church to? Diyan ba kayo kahapon?
St. Mary's ko din. Nawan
Ah.
ko St. Mary's. Oh, we cross. Wait, are we catching here, right?
So behind us is Queen Victoria Building. Yan yung shopping center nila dito. Check natin yan sa Monday. Try natin mag-shop around. Sakto gusto ko din mag-long jump. So hopefully meron siya inside. And kakatch naman yung tram dito papuntang Burger Point. So yeah. Let's go. Oh my gosh, congratulations! Oh my gosh! Hadouken! We're here in Circular Quay. We're strolling around and we're looking for a dessert place. So if you guys know any good dessert place here, oh, Gelato. So yan. Pasal-pasal lang tayo, guys. Hey guys, so we're here in Venice. Venice Cafe.
Venice Kitchen.
Antok pa.
Few moments later.
So we're here in Venice Cafe. Here in Circular. So yeah. Just having some coffee for already.
May assignment.
So yeah. Hey Teamsters, so dito kami sa room and nagpupusoy dos kami. Namagana yung mata ko, antok na ako. 24 hours, more than 24 hours na kami gising. Pero super fun naman. Maganda ng conference kanina, yung session 1, yung talk 1. So yun, bukas maaga tayo kasi yung breakfast strictly 7:45. So maaga tayo maliligo. Dalawa naman yung toilet dito sa room and 5 lang kaming mag-share ng banyo. So mabilis lang yan. So, yun. So again, see you guys tomorrow. So see you bukas. Bye! Good morning, Teamsters! Today is our day 2 here in Sydney. And yeah, we're on our way to the breakfast area. So today, we're all wearing cream. Hindi ako yung nag-utos na mag-cream sila. I mean, cream talaga yung napili na damit for this morning's activity. So, mamaya mag-fit check tayo. Pero, kumain muna tayo dahil limited lang yung time for breakfast. So, let's go! Ang lamig guys, grabe. Sana! May daan daw here. No. Start pa lang. Hi! Hi vlog! Morning! Hi!
This is Cloud pala, we met.
Hello! Nag-meet na kami kahapon. Hey! Welcome!
Para kayong sasayaw kaya.
Of course!
Hello, good morning.
Uy, pakilala nyo naman yung roomie natin.
Kaya nyo ano nyo, nabiktima nyo.
Hello, what's your name? Phil, Senna. Nice to meet you. Grabe.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so sorry. I need to return.
Okay lang. Breakfast. All I am, all that's within me, nothing can keep me from your love. New Zealand, oh how amazing, glory and honor and praise, Jesus our God. Again.
Oh, this is how first.
All I am, all that's within me, nothing can keep me from your love. New Zealand, oh how amazing.
My name's Marika, but a lot of people call me Micah. From SNC New Zealand. That's me, I'm good. Wait, how did it go? Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Oh, good evening, brothers and sisters. I am also from Auckland.
You guys doing strong?
Stare na. Quick Macas run. Thanks, Charlie. Hey, Timster. So, it's 2 a.m. and galing kami Macas. Nag-Macas run kami kasi sobrang gutom na talaga kami. And ito kami na ito kami kumakain sa actually Boys Yung Burger. Pero dito kami, kain lang kami tapos hang out for a bit and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, pupunta na kami sa Airbnb. So, see ya.
Mag-nomination na ito.
Yes, nomination na tomorrow. 2 points po kayo. kasi Good morning, Timsters. Today is day 3 here in Australia. And we're on our way to breakfast. Grabe, pataas kasi guys, kaya medyo hinihingal kami. So, we're wearing our Live Loud hoodies. And, yeah. Late kami natulog kasi diba nagmakto. So, medyo antok pa kami. Pero naka-shower na, naka-ready na kami. Let's go!
No. Sean, first we'll pray the rosary tonight, okay? Sean, I'll message you. Insta.
Emote.
We're very creative.
Soft nails. I remember soft nails.
What's the East? Central. Ganun.
I don't know what East Sahara. There was a tiger.
Like, oh my God.
How do you just do this?
Why not like that?
Where are we going, Pablo? Kim. So we're just walking. Elaine is leading us. Yes. So that's the capital. Oh, may sister act nga.
Very cold.
Ano in-order mo that time? Shop ko, mango.
No, may coco. Kasi mango coco. Yeah, say hi to the Timster. Yes, we're so excited. Roar. Boiling crab.
Boiling crab. When I say boiling, you say
Crab.
boiling.
Crab.
Very good. Yes, brothers and sisters.
Are you ready?
Ready?
And so on the way kami sa Boiling Crab and we're excited to eat. Grabe, hindi pa tayo nag-rice today.
Yeah, this is really
First
good.
rice natin today. Yeah, we're so hungry.
Bakit may palay?
Tour guide us.
Okay, so we're now here in Boiling Crab. Under Aaron.
Pangalan ko nilagay mo, diba?
Yeah.
Boiling.
Crab! Hey guys, so we just finished dinner. Now we're looking for video.
The picture daw.
If you look to your left, I recommend Casino. You don't have Casino? You've never had it? I recommend it.
Okay, friends, on your left is casino, and then you can buy some. Okay, come on, open more.
Magsimula tayo dito. Ala, recorded pala. May
Recorded.
recorded
CCTV.
siya. CCTV. ah.
Hello po.
Hello. Hello po. Brothers and sisters.
Anong tawag dito sa area na to?
Ben, siguro tanungan mo sa taga-city.
Ayaw nga, no? Tanungin ko. Anong tawag sa area na to?
Darling Quarter.
Oh.
So one of my favorite Japanese places is in there.
What's the name?
That one's Nakano.
Nakano.
Nakano, yeah, Nakano Darling.
Diba nandito sila? Kay barbecue.
Desserts. They're the same.
Oh.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.